In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on security and privacy. Then tap on device unlocking, select face and enter your current login method. Then you need to read all of those instructions and disclaimers, and when you're ready, hit start enrollment at the bottom right corner. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions and wait for 100% mark. Then choose OK. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!